Yeah.
There's nothing.
Probably better than I could do though. Oh, that was good. That was a good time. How we feeling about the rodeo, Matt? First time? First time? First time at the rodeo. Jer?
Haven't written anything in months.
Showed up. Moms and dads, remember.
Oh my God. Was that the guy you had your money on?
No, I had one. Lime green came out of nowhere. Really bet the under. I'm upset.
The Utah man showing you exactly what it's all about. What's the confidence here going from already?
Alright, we're at Fish Creek Falls. Check out this waterfall. First stop of the day. We got like Jeremy, how long is this hike?
7 hours. 5.5 round trip.
5.5 hours. I'm not much of a hiker, but we're doing it. Out here in beautiful Steamboat, Colorado.
Let them know.
Out here getting the shots.
Let them know.
Yeah, Pete. We're at this crazy waterfall. Damn. We just ate lunch, finished like the hike. This is sick. Been here for about like 30 minutes. We ate lunch, stopped, took some pictures. This place is epic. This waterfall is so cool. Water's a little cold. I didn't go in. Jeremy kind of went in. Matt went in. And yeah, we're just going for a little bit longer. Then we'll probably head back down in a little bit. Stretch? Can we stretch you out?
Lean back a little. Lean back.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Okay.
Alright, me and Jeremy on a team.
You're in trouble.
I think that's game.
Alright, jump in the lake. Let's go.
We're here at the pool having an absolutely electric time, and my good friend Matthew's about to try to gain her into the pool. Oh! Yeah, yeah.
That was really graceful. It's a nice dive.
Oh, this feels so good.
Have you not been in the pool yet?
No. Been working on my tan. I haven't had time to cool it up.
It's so fresh in here.
Wow. If I could capture Subway.
You come back here, that was so fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
So now we're kayaking.
Oh, I'm kayaking.
Yeah, well, I was paddling and then I busted out the camera. How you guys doing? Love it, love it, love it.
Fashion.
When I saw her for the first time, she was standing there at the ticket line. And I was snoring right then and there.
Just finished kayaking. That was a ton of fun. Look at how beautiful this is. Wow. So me and Jeremy biked to this. We've just been biking around. He's been showing me a lot of places. It's just so beautiful here. Like, you just don't get this in LA, man. This is awesome. Gorgeous. Getting the long exposure.
Yeah, 8 seconds. See how it turns out.
I've never done a long exposure, but Jeremy's pretty good at them. He's gonna show me how to do them, so I'm gonna try my first long exposure right here. Jared, give us the rundown. What's going on right now?
Well, we're a little lost. We're not lost, but we're a little lost.
All right, we're on day, what is it, day 4?
Day 4.
What's the day today? Wednesday? We're on the way to another hike. Look at all these birds. Wow. So we're on our way to a hike, and we just decided to stop by this really cool location because it's epic. Another day, another waterfall, baby. So we just hiked. This place is called King Solomon. We just stopped, ate some lunch, hanging out with the boys. Jeremy's doing some more long exposure. This trip's consisted of nothing but hikes and waterfalls. Not mad about it. Look at Matt just chilling like a boss. Matt is a psycho.
I feel like there's no good way to do this. Just kind of grip it and rip it.
Woo. All right, so we're running it back. Jeremy's up there. Jeremy's up there with Coleman. We're doing it again. It's freezing cold, but trying to get a really cool picture, so I hope this turns out well. Let's see.